Now let's move on to two of the most powerful tools inside JoggAI: image to video and text to video. These features allow you to turn still visuals or written ideas into stunning animated clips. Let's start with image to video. This tool helps you bring life to any image by adding realistic camera movement and motion effects, giving your visuals a cinematic, immersive feel. Here's how it works. Upload your image. Type in a short prompt describing the motion you want. For example, slow zoom in, drone flyover, or pan across the cityscape. After entering your prompt, choose the AI video model you want to use. JoggAI offers multiple AI video models. Select the one that best fits your creative needs and set your preferred resolution and video duration. Click Generate, and JoggAI automatically creates a video with smooth camera transitions and natural movement. You can even use image to video for creative effects, like transforming two different images into one seamless transition. For instance, if you have two AI-generated avatars in different outfits, just set one as the starting frame and the other as the ending frame, and image to video will blend them together beautifully. Now, let's look at text to video, a tool that turns your written descriptions directly into full-motion video scenes. You don't need any source images or footage, just describe the scene you want to see. For example, you can type prompts like "a golden sunset over the ocean" or "a futuristic dancer in a glowing city." JoggAI then generates cinematic video clips based entirely on your imagination. This is perfect for creating B-rolls, storytelling cutaways, or background visuals that match your main scenes. To make your videos look more natural and well-balanced, try to stay consistent with your prompt style. For example, you can repeat key visual elements, color tones, or atmosphere keywords. This helps JoggAI understand your creative direction better, so the generated clips will blend seamlessly and feel like part of the same story. Image to video and text to video give you endless creative possibilities inside JoggAI. Help you transform imagination into motion with visuals that feel alive, cinematic, and uniquely yours.